everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich.
Let's get cooking or grilling.
Okay, so what you're gonna need are 2 slices of bread. You can use any bread you want. This is the 45 calorie keto friendly bread. So I'm just gonna be using this one. Twisting it out of the way. Okay, got it. So I'm just gonna grab 2 pieces of this out. Okay, so I got that. So first I'm going to be spraying the pan with this cooking spray. So I'm just gonna spray this in there. This is the Food Lion brand. I'm just gonna spray that in there. Next, before I put the bread and stuff on the pan, I'm going to be putting the cheese on there. I'm just gonna put that on that piece. And I'm just gonna put that in there. You can hear it sizzle. I'll let it sit for a couple minutes and then I will be right back. Okay, my mom is telling me to spray it with butter. My hand is slippery. Okay, now I will be
Little
right
more?
back. Oh my gosh, Mama. Jeez.
There you go. Is it working? There you go. Okay, that's probably good now.
Okay, now I will be right back. Okay guys, so it's actually starting to brown up on the bottom already. So see that brown right there. So we're just gonna let this side sit on the other side. Let me just see. Not yet. The other one went kind of fast. And I will be right back when it's browned. Okay guys, so it's brown on the other side now. So I'm just going to put this on a plate over here. And now I'm going to turn this off. And then I'm going to take a knife and cut it. I'm just going to cut it diagonal. Alright. Got it? So we're going to put this in the sink. Okay, so what I'm going to have with my grilled cheese. So I'm going to be eating a kosher dill pickle. And then, yeah, you're going to have to open it.
Dad to the rescue.
And he just opens it. Done. Okay, so I'm going to put it on a paper towel. My mom does this so it doesn't soak up the rest of my food.
Guess who I learned it from?
Nana?
Papa.
Oh. Put that on there. Okay. I'm also going to be eating these wonton strips. I used to get these at a Chinese restaurant. So my parents got me these
For Valentine's.
Valentine's? Okay. So I'm also going to be eating this with some soy sauce on the side also. I'm gonna place some of these down. Okay, got that. And now I'm going to grab a little container for the soy sauce. off the top.
Your dad's help?
Yeah. Look, so easy. Okay.
That's probably good.
Okay. Okay, next I'm just gonna spray my grilled cheese with a little bit more butter.
Butter makes everything better.
Okay. And I am done. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.